that. So today we're going to learn how to make Rock and Roll Sushi's spec fried rice. And this is how fried rice should be being made every time beginning to end. So first we're going to start with butter. Butter goes down. Eggs. Let that begin to cook. Next up, after you start to see this coagulate and begin to basically scramble, peas and carrots down. After that, we've got our 8 ounces buttered hibachi rice down on top of that. Now we want to let this, press this out and let the surface area begin to heat your rice all the way through. Now that you see your egg is cooked, begin to chop this. Putting everything together, pressing to get the little knuckles of rice all broken up. Mix this together. Make sure you get everything broken up real nice and even. You don't want to have balls and chunks in your fried rice. Now, once you get everything kind of broken up, spread it out, pack it down a little bit, and let the heat transfer through the rice. So what you're doing is once that heat transfers through the rice begins to open up and it can absorb the sauce. That's the best part of the rice anyways. So as we let it heat through, continue to flip. All you're trying to do is break up the egg, mix thoroughly, and allow that heat to transfer through the rice to bring it to temp. This process should take 60 to 90 seconds tops. Now, once this is heated through, you can see the color start to change on the rice. Let's go ahead and get the sauce. As always, we're using our pre-mixed stir-fry sauce. Use a 1 ounce ladle, 1 ounce per order. Get that in, and then don't dawdle. Let that go ahead and mix thoroughly. Because as this cooks, and as this sauce hits the grill, it's evaporating. So if you want to have your rice colored correctly, you've really got to start moving and mixing from the minute you put the sauce on. Not want to have any white part on your rice. Once that you see that you've got an even color, spread it back out for just a little bit. Let everything finish cooking. Make sure you've got a nice hot border of fried rice. Get your portion vegetable ready. Can you go ahead and give me one of those plates down, please? All right, we get our plate here. Move it up. That is how we make our rock and roll sushi fried rice.